Welcome back. Now, as moisture slowly evacuates the Caribbean area, moving into the western portion of the region and into the Gulf, we can see the buildup of clouds with shower and thunderstorm activity in the western Caribbean and the Gulf. We're currently monitoring this area for tropical cyclone development over the next 7 days. However, it's still very weak, still less than a 40% chance of this occurring over the next 7 days. Meanwhile, across the center and eastern portions of the Caribbean, that high pressure ridge is beginning to intensify across the region. We can see also a slight intrusion of dust. The strong winds are expected to be persisting across the open Caribbean over the next couple of days. Scattered low-level thunderstorms still have that weak trough system over in the western portion of the Caribbean. Now for tonight, we're expecting partly cloudy skies across the island with temperatures dropping to 25 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. The winds are now northerly on the south coast, and the winds are expected to be out of the northeast on the north coast. In the morning tomorrow, it's partly cloudy across most of the area, and for the afternoon, partly cloudy conditions persist as well. Temperatures are reaching 34 Celsius in Kingston, also 34 degrees Celsius likely in Montego Bay. Expect a few showers in the afternoon tomorrow if you're in Lucy, Montego Bay or Falmouth. And across inland areas, we are expecting some isolated showers in Christiana as well as in Grange Hill and in Duncan's Trelawney. Now, the next few days, isolated shower and thunderstorm activity forecast for Friday. Expect scattered showers, an increase in weather activity, increase in rainfall, increase in showers and thunderstorms likely on Saturday. And then on Sunday, we're expecting much of the activity to be across sections of the west. Now for the marine forecast. On the north coast, winds are east-northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots tomorrow with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, expect winds from the east-southeast at 10 to 15 knots. Wave heights are also between 1 and 1.5 meters. And then in offshore areas, the winds could still get to 20 knots and lift waves to 2 meters. The offshore areas remain much as they are. Easterly, winds 15 to 20 knots Friday as well as Saturday and Sunday. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow 6:42, sunset at Negril Point 6:48. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.